Peace and blessings, everyone. How you all doing? This is Ibra Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. Before we get in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave comments below as well. Today I'm doing another video showing you guys how to expand your garden through cuttings. I think this is a great strategy that you could utilize to cheaply expand your garden, to grow more food, and to also ensure what you're getting as far as the quality of the food. In a previous video I did on cuttings with goji berries, we go over the benefits of it, so you can definitely check that video out. Today what we're going to do is actually we have longevity spinach cuttings, or Gynera procumbens is another name of the plant here. This is a awesome plant, a ton of information on it as far as the health benefits of it. Definitely research and check that out. This is a tropical plant that's primarily found in Africa and in Asia. It's a wild vining plant, and once again, it's full of health benefits. Tastes really good as well. I like to eat the leaves raw in a salad. I put them in a smoothie as well. But this plant right here is